Hi guys, I wanted to go over the total amount of ways that I have used free Tidy Cat containers for garden usages. This is a compost and worm bin that has several holes dug into the ground to let the worms do what they're going to do. I buried the handle. The lid is wonderful, gorgeous, tight, secure. I did push, I pushed all of the dirt around it so that it would keep the inside as cool as possible, but I have it elevated enough to where I know it's there and I'm not going to step on it, hopefully not trip on it. Again, Tidy Cat is number 5. You can plant in it, you can store food in it, and you can garden in it. So I have reserved these two to plant some potatoes in. Coming out here to the raised tomato beds, which is on concrete. I was unaware when these were created about hugelkultur, plus we really didn't have enough to fill this anyway with bark, trees, logs, leaves, all of that stuff for hugelkultur anyway. But what we did was we took Tidy Cats, we put them on the side, so that comes up to about right here, and then the rest of it was dirt. Well, actually, on top of this, and I believe there was about 4 or 5 per section, and then we put some very heavy-duty styrofoam on top of it, thick sheets of styrofoam that you could just easily cut. And then we put all of our dirt on top of that and plant it on top of that. And when you put your tomato cages in, the first time it was a little bit tight. Now it's kind of broken down throughout the years. I'm not going to redo them, even though I do know about hugelkultur, because that is a lot of work. Now here we just have a more portable Tidy Cat. I'm not sure of the pound. Those other pounds are 35 pounds. And we use these as our little mini greenhouses. And yeah, you can use the milk jugs, you can use anything. This actually affords a whole lot more space in here for the plant, which will bring in more moisture. It can hold more moisture and it can hold more heat. I mean, that just makes more sense. I mean, something like this, there's not a whole lot of heat in there because there's not a whole lot of space. But I did put a smaller plant in there to sort of balance that theory out. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and that is 4 ways that I use Tidy Cats. I use them as a compost worm bin, buckets to plant in, ways to heighten your raised garden beds, and mini greenhouses to buy yourself some extra time out here and get started early with planting with mini greenhouses. Thank you so much. I hope that you have a great day and that you subscribe. You found this video useful. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.